Hello, welcome again for the second part of the third unit of on the lecture series on robotics and automation. The syllabus again has been repeated here for the benefit of the students. Um, Here we'll look more about the different actuators as we have seen the lead screws and the ball screws. The lead screw is sometimes referred to as the power screw or a translation screw. We have seen this in the drawing here. They're used within motion control devices to transform rotary or turning movements into linear movements. From a rotary movement to a sliding movement is what it is being, or to a linear movement is what the lead screws are generally used for. Okay. The advantages of lead screws are it carries a heavy capacity of load. It is quite compact. It is easy to design and then into a system. Then minimum number of parts are very minimum number of parts are there. Smooth operation is there. It's quite quiet also. It doesn't make any noise, and then it requires very little maintenance. The other part of the lead screw, other alternative to the lead screw is a ball screw. Ball screws are mechanical linear actuators that translate rotary motion to linear motion by using a recirculating ball mechanism. We can see the recirculating ball mechanism. The balls go through this and come out on the other side, and then again the balls are being recirculated inside. Okay, so there's one on the left and there's one on the right side. There are two ball flows are there. Okay, a threaded shaft provides a helical channel for ball bearings, which act as a precise screw. They can apply or withstand high thrust loads with minimum internal friction. Now, this is a bigger view of the whole thing. The balls recirculated above and the ball nut outside the diameter. This goes outside the diameter and recirculates and then enters it again. Because of the dust, etc., there is a wiper just before entering the ball center, so it cleans all this screw part. The advantage of ball screws is highly efficient, requires less torque, therefore it has a smaller motor, higher accuracy grades for great positional and great positional accuracy. Okay, so lower friction, able to run at much cooler temperatures. It is also available in rolled and ground types. It can be adjusted to increase and decrease the payload. It need to be replaced frequently and available in screw diameters from 4 mm to 80 mm. In this slide, we will look at the comparison between the lead screw and the ball screw. Ball screws are generally better suited to applications that require smooth motion, efficiency, accuracy, precision, and prolonged continuous or high-speed movement. Now, lead screw tend to be more suited for transfer applications where speed, accuracy, precision, and rigidity are not very vital. Okay, so next we will look at the linear slides and an extension of the of a linear screw. The linear mode slides are actuators are used to perform movements along a straight line. To do this, the actuators convert the rotary motion of the motor into a linear displacement along an axis. This conversion is accomplished using ball screws and lead screws or belts. Now, this is a linear actuator, which is a common which this movement of sliding movement is being accomplished using a ball screw, a lead screw, or even belt. Now, there's something again called as the LM guideways. The main function of this guideway is to make the cutting tool or the machine tool operative element to move along a predetermined path. Now, the linear motion guideways or the LM guideways provide a smooth and a linear motion in the machine tools, due to which higher accuracy and precision can be obtained. Okay, so we can see the diagram of this. It contains an upper retainer of the balls here. Then the carriage is there on which the other tool is going to be mounted on. and you have an end cap here to close this the movement of the balls, etc. You have an end seal, you have a grease nipple there, the balls as it is there. It has a lower retainer, you have a bottom seal. Okay, you have an end seal here and a bottom seal, and then the whole thing moves on a rail. So the movement is linear, and it is smooth. Okay, so we have looked at the different ways of lead screws and ball screws. We also looked at the LM guideways. We will continue with the same topic again next time. Thank you very much.